Ladies and gentlemen, we are trying out Coin Plus. Now, apparently Coin Plus is one of the biggest scams going around. Who knows? We're going to find out for ourselves today. I do hope that you all do enjoy. Please, wait, what's this? How do I just get an ad for turning on the app? An ad's just appeared. I've only just turned on the app, everyone. Wow, I can see why people would be thinking this is a scam a bit. Jeez. Alright, let's roll the dice here. What's going to happen? What happens right now? I rolled a 1. I won $1.36 already. Really? Coin Plus. Really? How do I cash out? How do I cash out the dollar? I want to cash it out already. What's check in? Okay, I can check in today. 2,000 diamonds for you. Claim. Oh my lord. 2 ads in the span of a minute. No. No, 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 no. Go away, you old lady. Seriously. Okay, everyone. I now know why people are thinking this is a scam. Let's roll the dice again. What have I got? 3,000 coin. Oh, no, 3,000 diamonds. Claim. I have 5,000 diamonds now. What do I do with the diamonds? How do I get real rewards? Tell me, app. Get a chance to win up to $10 worth of coins from the treasure chest. The higher the house level, the faster new treasure chest is generated. House will generate treasure chest automatically. Okay. I need $10,000 to build a house that generates chests. How do I cash out? What's this got to do with cashing out? Apparently you can cash out, everyone. 4,300 diamonds for you, claim. I just got 4,000 something diamonds, okay. Is this the right app that I'm thinking of where apparently you can win real life stuff? Maybe? Pick one. 10,000 diamonds. Is this wrong? 4.57 coins for you, claim. Another ad. How's this got to do with real rewards? 2. Puzzle piece. iPhone XS puzzle. 1. You need 12 of them to redeem the iPhone XS, or you have AirPods. Really? Really, app? Okay, bro. Sure, new user bonus. iPhone XS puzzle times 2. Okay. Right. What an interesting app. Now, I just read the rules there, by the way. Apparently, once the activity ends... Look, oh, one mysterious puzzle piece found. Watch an ad to get 1 of 20 AirPod puzzle pieces, or 1 of 12 iPhone XS puzzle pieces. Give up. No thanks, I don't want to watch an ad. You click on puzzle. Look at the rules here, by the way. This activity is active from June 1st to December 1st of the same year. During activity, you can get the puzzle from Monopoly. Any unused puzzle got from this activity will be cleared up upon the end of the activity. Please strictly abide by activity rules. If any cheating or violation is found, measures will be taken, including but not limited to disqualification from joining the activity. Apple is not involved in any way in this activity. Okay. So, obviously, whoever made this app, English is not their first language, just from judging that. Let's pick the middle. Here we go. 5,000 diamonds. That means I can build a house now. Claim. Okay, let's claim. Let's build a house, everyone. Done. 10,000 diamonds. I got a house. Now I have to get 100,000 diamonds for the next house. There's my little home down here. Cool. Okay, got a little home. 1 treasure chest. Apparently 11 hours I'll get a treasure chest. No problem. What's knife hit? It's knife hit. Here we go. This is in the app, by the way. Level 1, knife hit. What is it? I have to hit the fruit, do I? Okay. Isn't this a legit... This is a real app, by the way. Like, this is on the Play Store, this app. I'm not even joking right now, dude. What do I do? Just destroy the thing? Okay, that's easy. Oh, as soon as I said that's easy. 700 diamonds for that. Restart. Okay. Oh my lord, I knew it'd be an ad. I just knew it. This is why the games are scams, dude. I'm so over them. I'm so over these cash games. It's all right, like all rigged. It's all rigged. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Come on. Nice. You could probably actually hack this, dude, and just make it so there's a bot that does this automatically for you. Legitimately. So there's no human skill involved at all. Not even joking right now. Oh, I was trying to get the question mark. No thanks. 3,600 diamonds from the knife game. Let's get out of here. Oh my god, another ad. Alright, we're back. Oh my god! I hate these ads. I hate these apps and I hate these ads. It's got Mario music. How do I skip this? Far out. Coin Plus, you're a joke of an app. Seriously, what's wrong with you? You got fake freaking rewards that no one's ever really gonna get. Event, roadblock. Remove the roadblock with an ad. You're joking me, dude. Get screwed. What's wrong with this app? Oh, it actually stops you. You have to watch the ad. Like, you have to watch it or waste 5,000 diamonds. Really? That's pathetic. 9,000 diamonds anyway. Got 69 cents. Oh my god. This has to be one of the most money-hungry apps so far that I've ever played, dude. The ads are ridiculous. I'm so happy you guys are seeing this as well, so you can see how bad these apps are. Roll 5 more dice. Yeah, whatever. Oops, server lost. Lost connection to the server. Really? Really? You make me watch an ad, then you kick me out, you scrubby app. I join back, and it puts an ad on. Surely they're doing that on purpose, so everyone watches ads. Surely. Surely, surely, surely. Keep rolling that dice. Nothing happened. Okay. Here we go. What did I get? 8,000 diamonds. Claim. Roll the dice. Come on. Come on, let me roll the dice. It's not letting me click anything. Bro, it's not letting me click anything. I can't roll the dice. It's glitched. This app is a joke. Coin Plus, you are the worst app I've played so far. And I've played Hyper Plinko, bro. Spin for 2,000 diamonds. Lucky wheel. Okay. Let me guess. Sorry. Watch it land on sorry. Watch this. Nah. 5,000 diamonds. Thanks. Claim. Here we go. Let's try again. Keep spinning that wheel. Surely it's 10,000. Surely it's 10k. No, 2. Claim. Let's go. Let's keep going. Dude, I could sit here all day just spinning the diamonds here, man. Cash. Got $1 and 37 cents, I think it was. Let's see what else we can get here. 2,000. Come on, give me 10 grand. Give me 10k. You haven't done it yet. 59 cents. I'm actually starting to lose diamonds here. I need to get 10 grand, dude. 5,000. That's alright. I'll take that. I'll take that. We're doing okay. Coins, 72 cents. Might jump out of this in a second, everyone. 3,000. I want to get 10,000. Come on, just give me 10,000. Surely. Surely you'll do it. 5,000. Oh, whatever. I'm jumping out of this now. There we go. We're back. Still can't roll the dice. Can't roll anything right now. Obviously, I've done something wrong. I'm done. This app's... I'm done. I never want to play the Coin Plus again. Get off my screen, Coin Plus. Never again do I want to see you, bro. Don't care about your puzzles. Guys, stay away from Coin Plus. It's broken. Legitimately. See you next time. Check out my videos for more. Subscribe, like, comment, do all that crazy stuff. See you later.